All right, so a call woke me up, and then the person said on the phone, very dark man, please be careful of the north this period. A lot of northern youths are angry because of the tweets you made. They are even threatening to buy you. So please lay low in the north. And I'm like, wait a minute, what tweets are you talking about? So the person sent me a post that Instablog reposted on Twitter. So I quickly went there to look at the post. So this person said, if today you committed what Deborah did in Sokoto, I will find you and I will send you where she is now. So the person that made this tweet, I quickly just click on the tweet and I noticed that, I did my research, I noticed that the person is in the Nigerian army. As you can see, this is the person that made that tweet, this is his picture. Now, when I looked at the person's profile, I quickly went on this, why the person responded like this. And I noticed that very dark black man on Twitter posted something saying, arresting and prosecuting the bias of Deborah would bring justice and unity to Nigeria to a large extent. Fish out Deborah's fire just like the Uromi. First of all, I don't even know about this account. I don't even know who tweets this thing. Again, me, I don't write. I talk on the video so that people cannot miss my words. That's why I make videos. You go only fit talking. Now, the surprising thing is, I now decided to go through this particular Twitter handle that claims to be very dark man. And I noticed that this person is actually inciting a lot of violence and causing problem with my name. Now, this person also tweeted, this is getting out of hand, to be honest. How can you, as a Fulani, go to someone's land, take his food, and buy him in the process? Where's your conscience? The person posted a picture of one person where don't buy and yam, without evidence of anything where happened there. Causing and me. Now I read the comments, a lot of people they vex for there. Very dark man, you all know they too much. You are trying to incite violence and all. Now I went on again. I noticed that the person posted this one just 2 hours ago. I know they play politics. I don't endorse anybody, but this woman is a fighter. Speaking of for the less privileged, me, tweets, and Natasha is a fighter. How? What's my business with politicians? The person also posted that we help kids. Genuinely, why these politicians use their kids to campaign, to use their kids as campaign tool to win election or popularity. Stop abusing these kids. The person posted a picture of Atiku Abubakar and in grandchildren. Atiku, they celebrate in grandchildren. You go post as very dark man, say Atiku, they using children campaign. Wow. Another one again. See what the person tweeted. He said, I got the information that some group of people wanted to arrest me, but the police oga sent them back, told them to go to court. So Rattles, another lawsuit might be coming soon. Man, I don't even know who this person is. I don't even know who this person is. Who is making all this tweet? I don't know. Them get fake God, I get Rattles. That's what I posted on my Instagram story. The person go copy am. They said I am scared of coming back home. Well, I just touched down Lagos yesterday with a Rattle picture. Another tweet, what do you stand to gain in bringing your fellow woman down? Now you have embarrassed yourself publicly as INEC struck out your petition against Natasha. Don't play. I cannot make all this type of tweets. What's my business? Another one is this. A man Godwin Anuka, who was kidnapped by suspected Fulani headers alongside his wife and 2 children in Ubulu Uku area of Delta State, have been by and in the presence of his wife and children. This is sad. Another tweet, when will this madness stop? People are being by on a daily and the government are only interested in oncoming. Anyways, me I know the tweets. I make videos. Anything where you know here for my video. No be me talk out. So anybody where they go follow tweet. Again, I don't take tweets serious. Because I don't take, in short, that platform safe. A lot of them sit down there, cook up story, it's tribalism they do there, they incite violence, they cause problem where they don't need to cause problem. So I don't take them serious. And a lot of them on that Twitter, if they see you in real life, they cannot talk. Most of them tweeting, they cannot come out in real life to do anything. Do you understand? And if you not see now, people where they get depressed, people where they get low self-esteem, mostly, now they use that Twitter. I'm not generalizing it. A lot of them, all those ones where they reply, where they insult people, they have low self-esteem in real life. They can't talk in real life. If you see them, they don't feel open their mouth for real life. So I know they even follow Twitter and talk. I know they even go there. So anybody where go see one tweet, we say, I mean, now na your business. Secondly, to this person where they threaten, you said you have to be careful. If you are in the Nigerian army, you have to represent your uniform properly. Don't go about threatening people. See how you don't shoot yourself for leg now, not be me even talk anything. So you just a threatening sky. You just a threatening sky. And you say, Deborah insult prophets, now why you buy them? Like I said in my video, there's no justification for buying somebody. Is she supposed to do that? No. But it still does not justify why they go buy them. Will I insult the prophet? Obviously not. I can't insult any, no. Just like make I wake up now and insult Jesus. I can't do that. But if an imam, listen, if an imam come outside, come they preach violence, come they lie where no make sense morally, I go attack the imam. I go curse him. If you want to deceive people to cause problem, I go curse the imam. If I see one pastor where they lie to extort people, I go curse him. Go my page. Don't see one woman where they do fake healing with the Quran. I bash him. One other imam to bash him. So once I see all these fake prophets where they use the religion to their advantage, I bash them. But will I come out to insult Muhammad? Hell no. Or insult Prophet Isa? Hell no. Likewise, Jesus. I can't come out to insult Jesus Christ. But the people taking advantage of religion, of course. And all those people they just say, very dark man, be careful of the north. Nobody will stop me from going to any northern states. That's another thing. If I don't go anywhere, I will still travel, go any northern state. I'll still go Kano. Nigeria and my country, I'll go anywhere. What is wrong is wrong. Let's go back again. Like I said, when that thing happened in Edo State, go and check. Till tomorrow, I'm the first to go and condemn that. It is wrong. So I don't know what to be this extra where a lot of now want to use this thing they do. But to sum this video up, I know they use Twitter. So anybody where go they tweet, now they follow all those people where they tweet now Nasabi, this account is fake. Where Oyindamola, Poja, Dami Adenuba, all these Twitter bloggers where they're strong. Yaba left and co, Insta blog and co. I don't use Twitter, so if I like when I did there, they go the airport, then they retweet. When I go cause problem and Nasabi. And that guy, where they make that threat, I hope that this one teaches you sense. You need to investigate before you start to get angry. Don't let sentiment cloud you. And all those northern youths, where they on that day, they rate, they like my day. You people should do your investigation before you start jumping up and down. And if you see me for road, you come meet me, I go beat you. I don't go lie for you, I go beat you. Before you come discover, say no be me. Blood feed on the come up for your nose. No be play, I they tell you. So be careful. Be careful. Else you go and learn and you will learn the hard way. And they are a work quarters, now here I grow up. So nobody feel open eye for me for here. You don't understand? But also do your investigation for real. Else you go and learn and you will learn the hard way. Peace and love. This kind of character, stop it.